So yeah, so this is how I wrap my packages, like smaller packages. So this is just like one sticker order. So I got these thank you cards. I write their name and yep, package them in this paper bag, tape it on, and then it slides easy in the envelope. And my thank you cards are too long, so I have to cut them. But if I have orders with, so this order is like the two greeting cards, I'm not gonna cut it. And I always add my card, of course, my business card, and some free stickers. If you order like one, let's say one sticker pack, you always get like one sticker free. But if you order more, like I don't know, 2-3 sticker packs, and like this is 2 cards. I have another order, it's a sticker pack and a bookmark, and then I add always like more stickers, like 2 or 3 or so, depending. If it's a really big order, sometimes I also add the vinyl stickers. It depends, but yeah, but you always get like some free stuff. And of course the thank you card, I'm gonna write the name here. And yeah, so this is how I pack my orders. Oh, and then for when I put stuff in these type of bags, I always put like a little sticker. I got these made like years ago, and I still have them. So yeah, I just want to use them, and once they're gone, I'll probably make some at home for myself, or like myself, and for them to stick on or something. Maybe. I think that's really cute. And I have different ones. Yeah, so this is how I pack my orders. I still have to finish some, and then I'm gonna go to the post office and drop everything off. Yay! So this is one of the new keychains. I think I showed this one, oops, in the last vlog. I think I was drawing it. Yep, it's done, and I already sent it off. And so hopefully in the next vlog I will be opening the package. So this is one. So I have 3 new designs. So this is one, and then I made this one, and this one, the front part will have some holographic stars, and the third one is this one. It's the same kitty from my notepads. Yep, kitties being crazy. Hey, like always. Yep. So I love ramen. I love kitties. So this happy kitty, yay! And this one is gonna be no glitter or holographic or anything. Same like Calcifer, the fire. He's not gonna have no glitter or anything, and it's just gonna be clear, but they're all gonna have both sides epoxy. So I'm excited about this. So this is probably gonna be the next vlog, and yep, that's it. I hope you liked it. I know it was a lot of packing. Hope it's not too boring. Maybe in the next vlog, I'll see. Yeah, so let me know what you would like to see. I'm still new to this, and if you want to give me some feedback, that would be much appreciated. I do have another job, or a 9-to-5 job. Yeah, if you want to see some of that, I can post maybe a little bit too. And yeah, so I hope you like this vlog, and I hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and maybe leave a comment, leave an emoji, like a cat emoji. You don't have to say anything, just leave a cat emoji. All right, bye.